Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Creations by Scylla. Today's video is going to be a DIY on this Easter garland. If you want to learn how to make it, please keep watching. So this is the items you're going to need. You're going to need pattern paper of your choice, a template, white cardstock, carrots, glue, scissors, twine, and pom-poms, and of course your glue gun. Alright, so let's begin. So I wanted a kind of a rustic-y look, so I bought this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. I'm not sure if they still carry it, but I just loved all the prints it had. It has so many, so I went ahead and chose the flower pattern, and I just thought it was really cute. I loved it. So I downloaded my free template from Google. I printed it and I cut it out, and this is what I had. So I got my 65-pound cardstock that I bought from Michael's. It comes in a 50 pack, and there's so many colors that you can choose from if you don't want to go with a pattern paper. And the reason why I'm using the 65-pound cardstock is because this is really flimsy and I wanted it to be more sturdier. So I'm going to take the two and just glue them like this. So once you have everything cut, you're going to want to start gluing them. So I'm just going to put my glue here. Oh, and this glue stick is my favorite. It's a two-way glue. It's a squeeze and roll, and you can pretty much get this at any craft store. And then I just dot it like this, and this glue goes a long way. I just love it. And I use this because you can't see ripples or anything, and it's easy to work with. And then you just want to lay your pattern bunny on top of that and just align it, and there you have it. And then just press down. How easy was that? There you go. So you have one bunny complete, and you're going to want to repeat the same step for the rest of them. You want to make sure that you get on the edges so that it doesn't come up. And this is permanent. This glue is really good. Okay, now that you have all your Easter bunnies glued together, you're going to want to take your pom-poms and glue them to the bunny, just like that. So you want to take your pom-pom, put a dab of glue, just be careful because it's hot, and then just place it down. Okay, next you're going to take your twine, and they sell this at any craft store. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock and just cut a strip. And I'm going to use a piece of this, just cut it like this. And I'm going to take my bunny, find the placement that I want, turn it over. So I want it about there. Then I'm gonna take glue. And just be careful because this is hot. Take the glue, move it back to where I want. Take the piece you just cut and lay it over. Just like this. So that you can have it secured. And you know it won't fall off. And there you go. Now you have your bunny. And you know it won't go anywhere, it won't fall off. And you're gonna want to do the same for all the other ones. But before I do that, I'm gonna take the carrot, and I got these from Dollar Tree. You're gonna take your carrot and then you're going to place it where you feel it would look best. And for me, I think that's a good gap between the bunny and the carrot. Okay, so I found an orange cardstock that matches the carrot, and so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna cut a strip. And that's probably too thick or wide, so I'm gonna cut it down. And then I'm just gonna cut pieces of it like this. You don't want the cardstock to show. See? And then you're gonna do the same thing. So this is where I wanted mine. Just move it a little bit over, just like that. And instead of putting it on back of the carrot, I'm just gonna place glue here. Just like that. And then place my carrot on top. And then pick it up and squeeze down. And just press down. And there you have it. Just like that. And you're gonna want to repeat the same steps and glue the rest of the bunnies and the carrots. Okay, so I finished gluing all the Easter bunnies to the twine along with the carrots. And I only used 3 carrots. And that's what it looks like. I hope you guys liked that DIY. It was simple, quick, and easy, and you can use any print or you can just use solid colors, and you can find any cardstock or pattern paper at your local craft stores. And I just hope that you guys like this video. I can't wait to do more DIYs for you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that like button. Thanks again, guys. Catch you on my next one. Bye.